everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Do you want your Windows PC to feel like Fort Knox? Then in this video, I'll show you simple yet effective steps that anyone can do even if you don't know anything about computers to dramatically reduce the chance of being hacked in 2025. We'll cover settings, passwords, browser safety, backups, and what to do if things go wrong. So let's lock it down. Now the first step is to always update Windows and your apps. Updates patch security holes that hackers tend to exploit. So just go to Settings and then on the left hand side just go to the Windows Update option. And now from here just check for any updates and install everything. For apps, use the Microsoft Store or open each app and enable auto updates. You need to make this a weekly habit to stay updated. And now the second step is to use a standard account for daily work. Don't browse the web as an administrator. Create two accounts, one for admin, which is used for installs, and one standard for daily use. So in the settings, on the left hand side, go to the accounts option and then in the account settings, just scroll down and then in the other users option, here you can see your account. So just go ahead and add another account. Now after creating your account, you would need to click on this account and from the change account type, set this as standard user. Then click on OK. Now this reduces the chance of malware installing itself without permission. It protects important system files and makes your system more secure in case of phishing or malicious downloads. And now the third step is to set a strong password for your user account. So you would need to use unique and long passwords and a password manager. I would recommend the free version of Bitwarden. Now here you would need to go ahead and enter in your email address. Then just click on continue. And then from here just create a master password which you'll remember. Then let the manager generate and store unique passwords for every site. And now the fourth step is to enable two-factor authentication. So just go ahead and turn on the two-factor authentication everywhere. Banking, email, and even social media. Use an authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator or even Google Authenticator. And now the fifth step is Microsoft Defender setup. Now Windows already includes Microsoft Defender. It's free and good. So just open Windows Security and Threat Protection. And then now from here, go to the Virus and Threat Protection option. Then under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. And then turn on Real-Time Protection and Cloud Delivered Protection. Also, under the Ransomware Protection, just check off this Control Folder Access. This basically prevents apps from changing your files. And now the sixth step is Device Encryption. So if you have Windows Pro and TPM 2.0, then just go ahead and enable BitLocker. By going to the settings, then the system option, and then from here to the about option. And now if you scroll down, here you can see your BitLocker option. So if you have Windows Pro, then just go ahead and enable it. But now if you are on the Windows Home Edition, then it doesn't come with full BitLocker encryption. It sometimes has device encryption, which is a lighter version but only works on certain hardware. So go to the privacy and security option and then the device encryption option. And then from here just turn on the device encryption if it's not turned on. Now since you mainly want drive encryption for security, then VeraCrypt or device encryption will be enough without paying for Pro. And now the seventh step is Secure Boot, TPM and BIOS basics. So just make sure that Secure Boot is enabled and TPM is active. These protect against low-level attacks. And in order to check that, just go to your search engine and type tpm.msc And here you can see that, so click on it. Now to enable secure boot, restart into UEFI or BIOS and enable secure boot. If you feel like that's scary, then back up first or ask a friend. But it's definitely worth doing. Now if you want a detailed video on BIOS basics, then just check this video out. And now the next step is browser security and phishing protection. Now for that, firstly you would need to use a secure browser like Google Chrome, Firefox or Edge, and make sure to keep it updated. So just go ahead and turn on HTTPS only mode by going to your browser, then just clicking on this three dot option and then just go to the settings. And now from the settings, go to the privacy and security option, then scroll down and go to the security option. And here if you scroll down, then under the secure connections, you will see the always use secure connections. So just enable it. Now once it's enabled, your browser will automatically try to connect to sites via HTTPS instead of HTTP. If a site doesn't support HTTPS, then it will warn you before loading it in insecure mode. And now lastly, what to do if you think that you're hacked. So if you suspect a hack, first of all, just disconnect from the internet. And on a clean device, change passwords for email, bank and key accounts and enable two-factor authentication. Next, go ahead and run full scans with Windows Defender and Malwarebytes. Then restore from a known good backup if necessary, or do a clean Windows reinstall if you can't remove malware. Contact your bank immediately if money is at risk. So to recap, keep Windows updated, use a standard account, strong passwords plus a password manager, turn on two-factor authentication, enable Defender and BitLocker, and harden your browser. These steps will make your PC much harder to hack. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.